Okay, hello, this is a tutorial to teach you how to use the Libby app. So you download it on the App Store or on Google Play, and once it's downloaded you will open it, and this is the screen that you see. It's going to ask you, do you have a library card? Which is yes. Even if you don't have a physical library card, you have a library card membership number, and that's all that matters. If you don't know your library card membership number, if you have lost your library card, feel free to email Mr. Clark or Mrs. Portolato, and we will provide you with your number. So once you tap that you have a library card, it will ask you to look up your library by name or location. So then you will tap search for a library and type Renfrewshire. Renfrewshire libraries. So you will select that, and now you can enter library account details because you have a library card. So you just have to put in your details 0462. That's what your library number should start with, or something like 04 anyway. Then you just go next, and we'll ask you for your PIN code. Your PIN code is your full date of birth. So if you're born in June 27th, 2006, you will put 27062006. So all the numbers with no slash, no dash, no punctuation at all, no spaces. And that's you. You should be able to click next and search for books. Then you can start browsing. If you want to search for a book, there is a magnifying lens, and you will tap here. If you want to look at your options here, or manage your notifications, see the FAQs if you have any questions. You tap on the top right, you see your profile, your notifications. On the top left you have the magnifying lens, and you can just search for a book. Something else that you can do while you're on the search page, you can refine your preferences. So you wanna retrieve all the available items, because if you are looking for an ebook or an audiobook and they are out on loan, then they will appear as hold the item. So you can request it and reserve it. But if you just want to find something that you can download and borrow and listen to or read as soon as possible, then yeah, available now. So apply the preferences. So we have not refined the preferences to audiobooks only or ebooks only. Well, you can do that if you go to format. So what we are looking for now will give us the result of both ebooks and audiobooks. So for example, we want to search for The Diary of a Wimpy Kid and the series. So we want to find all of the books. Oh, look at that. So there is one that is actually available to borrow, and this is Read Samples. So you can see that it's an ebook. When it says Play Sample and you have the symbol of the earphones, that's an audiobook. So this is the first part. I'm just gonna end it with showing you how to borrow it. You borrow there and you click borrow, and it will ask you to confirm that a couple of times, and then it's downloading. You can I suggest you do that while you're on the Wi-Fi, because otherwise it will use your mobile data. So this is the first part of the tutorials on how to use Libby. Next time we will go into details on how to renew the loans, how to return them, and some tricks and hacks that are in the app that you may find useful.